Hello, beautiful souls. Janelle here, your relationship coach, and today we're going to be talking about something that's as essential to your relationship as a hammer is to a carpenter. We're going to be building your Relationship Resilience Toolbox. Now imagine your relationship as a house. It's a beautiful, cozy place where you and your partner live. But like any house, it needs maintenance. Sometimes a storm might come and shake it a bit, or maybe a pipe bursts and causes a flood. These are the challenges that we face in our relationships. Misunderstandings, disagreements, trust issues, they're all like those storms and floods. And just like a house, your relationship needs tools to fix these issues and make it stronger. That's where your Relationship Resilience Toolbox comes in. So, what's in this toolbox? Well, the first tool is communication. It's like the screwdriver of your toolbox. It's used in almost every repair and maintenance task. Effective communication can help you and your partner understand each other better, resolve conflicts, and express your feelings and needs. The second tool is empathy. Think of it as the measuring tape. It helps you understand your partner's perspective, their feelings, and their needs. It's about putting yourself in their shoes and seeing the world from their eyes. The third tool is patience. It's like the pliers. Sometimes things can get stuck or difficult to move in your relationship. Patience helps you hold on, apply the right amount of pressure, and keep trying until things start moving again. The fourth tool is forgiveness. It's the sandpaper. It helps you smooth out the rough edges, the mistakes, and the hurts. It's not about forgetting, but about letting go of the pain and making your relationship smoother and stronger. And the last tool is love. It's the glue. It holds everything together. It's the foundation of your relationship and the driving force behind all the other tools. Building your Relationship Resilience Toolbox is not a one-time thing. It's a continuous process. You need to keep adding new tools, sharpening the old ones, and learning how to use them effectively. Remember, every relationship is unique, and so is every toolbox. What works for one might not work for another, so don't hesitate to reach out if you need help building your toolbox. Leave your questions in the comments, or check the video description for a link to my website where you can book a session. And before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's a small click for you, but a big help for me. So until next time, keep building your Relationship Resilience Toolbox, and remember, a strong relationship is built one tool at a time. Stay resilient, beautiful souls.